Seeing the message, this device is not compatible with this version when trying to install an app. This happens often, even on newer phones, but don't worry. There are easy ways to fix this and get the app working properly, no hacks needed. Let's get it fixed. Solution 1. Change Play Store settings. First, open the Settings app on your phone, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now find the Google Play Store, tap on it, tap the force stop. It helps users to stop any application that is acting weirdly. Thus, if you want to fix your device that is incompatible with this version, then you can use this function. Solution 2. Clear the cache. Go to the settings again, scroll down, tap Apps. Again, go to the Play Store. Now scroll down, and this time tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. It will remove all temporary files from your Play Store. Solution 3. Uninstall the Play Store update. Go to the Settings app again, scroll down, tap on Apps, find the Play Store, tap on it. This time, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner, and then tap Uninstall Updates. And that's it. I hope this device is not compatible with this version issue is fixed now. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.